Here's an interesting word, sector coupling, or two words, I'm not entirely sure, but there we are. Sector coupling has been mentioned a few times in the last year. What we're looking at when we're talking about this is using different technologies working together. So a great example at the moment, what we have got and is readily available on the market is Solarwatt and Steve Electron. So a solar company, a solar PV company, and a heat pump company. And what they've done is Solarwatt has launched their inverters, car chargers and batteries in the UK market beginning of 2025. And what they've also put on in the in this range of available products is the Energy Manager. The Energy Manager has been tested and worked on for the last few years, we believe, and we know it in Germany. And what they've done is the stable heat pumps link in with the Solarwatt Energy Manager, so the system knows how much energy is being used, where it's going, and it can optimize the electricity system within a home, which will save you a significant amount of money because the system knows how much electricity is going to be needed, how much is going to be produced from solar, how much the system needs to charge from the grid, if it needs to charge from the grid, obviously not when the sun is shining in those beautiful summer days. So sector coupling is an important one going forward, because what we've done is we are installing lots and lots of products in our homes, and everything is, or most things are now electricity based. And in my opinion, there's lots of us who don't actually know how the systems work together. We all have great ideas. Some of us know more about it than others. We know how some apps work. We know how some of our products work. We've chosen our car charger and our heat pump and our solar panels based on what was available and what was best reviewed on the market at the time. But because we put them in separately, there's no overarching control system for many of us, which is a bit of a drawback. But going forward, if you've got the chance to put something in that actually works with another part of your home that can give you the energy management or various other aspects of it, the energy management is the key in my opinion. This will save us a huge amount of money going forward. Our energy tariffs will accommodate this, but how we can buy the electricity, when we can buy it, how much we can generate, and where we're using it, to make sure that we're not using it when it's really, really expensive, that's the key. And that's what we want to be looking at and help you with in the future.